Hello investors and traders, today I'll speak about best dividend stocks, dividend investings and stocks to buy right now. Today I'll show you my dividend portfolio, speak about S&P 500, TLT and the other news in the market. So let me start from the TLT on the US Treasury bond ETF. Now I'm starting to combine position in this ETF. Look, here dividend yield is more than 3%. You will check it chart. So in my mind there is a correction here. It's ABC move and the wave C is very close to it finishing. Anyway, look, it's very organic here. If it was the first wave, the second, the third, the fourth and the fifth, here we have a major support level, $92. And also let me check the Elliott wave analysis. I can tell you the best value for finishing of this um, on the fifth wave. Yeah, it 160% from wave 3. In this case we have a $82, so that's why I'm started to buy this ETF. And also don't forget it paying the dividends. By the way, the dividends here are daily, so monthly, so every month you may receive a nice dividend from US government. In my mind here the potential is huge. Look, from its high levels this TLT is down more than 40%. By the way, here the first target I can say it 115. In this case the growth potential on 20%. I'm not sure it will be in this year, maybe the next one, but in any case the growth potential here is very nice. Also I told you that I will show you our dividend portfolio. Now it's 5 kilo bucks, but of course I continue to add assets in this portfolio, and the first it going to be 50 kilo and up to 100 kilo bucks. But now I'm not see a lot of investment opportunities in the market. But here the list of my dividend dividend stocks, dividend companies that I'm planning to buy in the near future, in the future weeks. Look here, it's my custom stock screener. So I'm interested, of course, if in companies paying dividends more than 3% stable. I don't want to see that to EBITDA too high. By the way, we see properties, it's rate, if I'm not mistaken here. Yeah, it's a rate, real estate investment trust, and a little bit dangerous. The interest coverage is low, and the EBITDA, as I told you previously, also very high. That's why it's under consideration. But such companies like Verizon, Philip Morris, J&J, Target, Altria, of course I would like to see in my dividend portfolio, and some of them I'm continuing to buy right now. Let's move back to my portfolio. So as I told you, I'm just starting to buy it. My total gain is it's positive, but it's very modest. Anyway, I earned already in this year at 28%. But this portfolio, these positions I sold, it was Bitcoin, it was Amazon. Anyway, now I'm just more concentrated in dividend investing, and I would like to receive a passive income. If you'll check all my position, of course, most of them is the TLT. 60% from my portfolio is TLT, the ETF on US Treasury, a 2-year Treasury bond. Also, I have Philip Morris, Valero Energy, oil and gas company, Altria, Verizon, 3M. By the way, let's have a look on 3M. 3M, oh, it's ticker triple M. It was their report not far, maybe the last week, the previous week, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it was the earning report. So very nice performance. By the way, the reported revenue is about 8 billion bucks, and also we can see surpassing EPS, earning per share. So nice performance. And also last time it was a few interesting and positive news that they resolved settlement approval from previous issues. It was about 10 billion bucks. Also we see agreement 6 billion bucks, so it's lower than expected. Also here the Morgan Stanley upgraded 3M from its target to 130 bucks, and if I'm not mistaken also another stock update. So of course it's a positive news for 3M company. And also let me check its chart. As I told you previously, the impulse finished here, and the wave A also in my mind finished here, so I'm expecting to see a bounce in wave B, so we may see a nice performance in this stock, in 3M company. Also we'll check its fundamental parameters. Anyway, yeah, I see it here. So look, its performance since the beginning of the year is less than it's down more than 10%. It's a huge company, 60 billion bucks. By the way, it was the last quarter, but I'm sure it's temporary. Here nice dividend paying history with 12 years. The payout is very low, and the dividend yield now is 5%. So for me, 3M company, a nice investment, great dividend yield, low payout, and of course a nice dividend paying history. So generally speaking, my dividend portfolio for now, I'm planning to combine it in the future weeks, in the future months, and we'll stay and hold these positions for 2024. But also I'm thinking, I'm hope that the TLT will show a nice performance. The target is 120, 130, and then I'm planning to sell some of TLT shares and to buy other nice dividend stocks. So if you liked my video, of course press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and see you on the next time. Bye.